Hello, my name is Gary Franklin. I'm the project manager for Team BISM, and today our team is going to talk about 4 collaboration tools for small to medium-sized businesses. The product that I want to talk about today is Microsoft Groove. In 2005, Groove was purchased by Microsoft from Ray Ozzie, its founder, and when Microsoft acquired this product, they actually acquired a product that satisfied the 3 primary factors of collaboration. That first factor, communication. This product allows its users to share a discussion board as well as a calendar to communicate with team members. The second primary factor, content management. This area Groove addresses by using integrated alerts and communication tools to shorten review cycles, which is an excellent benefit for businesses. The third primary factor, workflow control. The product Groove actually has a built-in presence awareness that allows users to know who is working on what, and you don't have to actually ask who's doing this. It's just built in. So the built-in presence awareness is great. The second product we want to talk about today is Google Docs. Mr. Jason Rivers will be discussing that. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Jason Rivers. I'm the presentation technologist for Team BISM, and I'll be speaking to you today about Google Docs. Google Docs is a free web-based application. The company Google was started in 1998 by Sergey Brin and Larry Page, 2 former Stanford students. They started Google Docs in 2006 to compete with Yahoo and Microsoft in the information technology market. One of the things about Google Docs is that it is able to be accessed, managed, and shared online with any web-based application or software. Google Docs has many positive features such as real-time access. The only negative feature about Google Docs is it has security issues. The workflow of Google Docs is basically, Google Docs has 3 collaboration tools. The communication is anyone can access it with an operating system. The content management has real-time access, and the workflow controllers can be accessed in real time or edit mode, which means anyone can access it to update it, or it can be set in a file that can only be read-only. Google Docs, the ultimate goal of Google Docs is eventually to compete with Microsoft without the use of the Microsoft operating system. I will now turn this over to Mr. Edward Burt to speak on the Team Knowledge Tree. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Edward Burt. I am the research coordinator for Team BISM. The product that I have chosen to evaluate is the Knowledge Tree product. Knowledge Tree was developed by JM Warehouse out of Cape Town, South Africa. It's an open source product which keeps costs down and runs on multiple operating platforms, including Linux, Windows Server, and Sun Solaris. When evaluating the Knowledge Tree product against the 3 primary factors of collaboration, what I found was communication-wise, it connects users directly to existing email systems for asynchronous communication, and it includes chats. For content management, it offers document version with previous versions available through version history. And then for workflow control, the software can be set up to notify selected roles or groups when a workflow action is required. And now, Mr. Bobby Sanders will talk to you about wikis and blogs.
Thank you, Ed. As mentioned, my name is Bobby Sanders. I'm the formal report coordinator for Team BISM, and I'm going to talk about wikis and blogs. These 2 collaboration tools have many similarities and differences, both of which are centered around common interests, popular culture, and other common topics among people, hobbies and such. Blogs are basically an online journal that allow users to post the latest stories and entries about a certain topic And wikis, on the other hand, are an online database that follow a similar design and layout, and they can post pictures, stories, personal things, anything about it, much like a blog. Now, both of these products meet three main factors of collaboration that are communication, workflow control, and content management. Communication-wise, blogs have a comment section that allows users to go in and post their responses to certain entries, getting conversations started and generating, more new entries. Whereas wikis allow the users to go in and freely edit the database, the wiki, and that allows them to communicate differently, editing the wiki freely and having all the users be able to see the most recent and up-to-date information rather than sifting through threads of comments. When it comes to content management, wikis are a little bit more suited to this, allowing users to add new pages and add more content than a blog, and it can be organized very effectively, whereas blogs are stored and organized very chronologically. As for workflow control, wikis are better suited for this as well. Just as mentioned, assignments, tasks, and jobs for businesses can be posted as new pages or new assignments. And likewise, it can be posted as a blog, as new entries, and co-workers and team members can go in and post their assignments as responses to that entry. When it comes to our final conclusion, we have found that Microsoft Groove is the best tool suited for small and medium-sized business. It uses the exact same graphic user interface as the rest of Microsoft's products, making it very simple and easy to use, limiting the training costs and IT requirements. And also, since Microsoft is the most common operating system, it works perfectly with all the rest of Microsoft products. It also is available in a multitude of different languages, making globalization a cinch, very easy. And they also offer discussion boards for synchronous communication with one another and asynchronous communication. And even though Microsoft Groove is one of the more expensive products we've researched and discussed, the benefits of Microsoft Groove outweigh the cost, making Microsoft Groove our recommendation and the best tool for a small and medium-sized business.